Hello students, now today we will discuss about the topic acceleration. Students, the rate of change of velocity of a body is called its acceleration. Okay, the rate of change of velocity. So we can write acceleration equals change in velocity upon time. Okay, the rate of change of velocity is called its acceleration, and we can write acceleration equals change in velocity upon time. Now if initial velocity is represented by u, it means u is initial velocity okay, and v is final velocity and t is time taken by body, okay. Now acceleration is represented by a, okay, acceleration is represented by a a arrow, and this arrow represent direction, okay. So acceleration is a vector quantity, okay, acceleration is a vector quantity. Now a denotes acceleration, so a equal change in velocity v minus u, final minus initial velocity, v minus u upon time t. So we have a equals v minus u upon t. Now students, what is SI unit of acceleration and what is CGS unit of acceleration? You know, change in velocity is a gain of velocity, so we have SI unit for velocity meter per second and divided by time, okay. So we have SI unit of acceleration meter per second square in SI system, and in CGS system we have centimeter per second square. Now if initial velocity of body is u, v is final velocity, so suppose that if any body initially moves with velocity u and after some time t, body becomes moves with velocity v, then v minus u by t equals acceleration, okay. Now if there is increase in velocity, okay, if any body initially moves with velocity, suppose that initially moves with velocity 5 meter per second, and after some time, after time t 5 seconds, velocity becomes 10 meter per second, okay. Then what is acceleration? Then we have a equals v minus u by t, okay. Now the value of v 10 minus the value of u 5 by 5, then we have 5 by 5 1 meter per second square, and this one is positive. So if there is increase in velocity, okay, 5 to 10, if there is increase in velocity, then we have positive acceleration. So write down if there is increase in velocity, then we have positive acceleration, okay. Now if there is decrease in velocity, then we have negative acceleration. For example, Initially anybody moves with velocity 10 meter per second, and after time 5 seconds velocity becomes, the value of v becomes 5 meter per second. Then we have the value of a, v minus u by t. A equals 5 minus 10 by 5 and a equals minus 1 meter per second square, and this a is negative. So if there is decrease in velocity, then we have the value of a negative. So what will be the value of a if there is no change in velocity? Of course, if there is no change in velocity, it means if any body initially moves with velocity, suppose at 5 meter per second, then after some time velocity becomes again 5 meter per second, then we have no change in velocity. So the value of a will be 0. Now we can write, if there is no change in velocity, then we have the value of a 0. If there is there is increase in velocity, then we have positive acceleration. If there is decrease in velocity, then we have negative acceleration, and if there is no change in velocity, then we have the value of a 0. And student, this negative acceleration is also known as deceleration or retardation. So we can write deceleration. Okay, this is deceleration or retardation. Okay, now we have types of acceleration: uniform acceleration, non-uniform acceleration. Now, students, acceleration is said to be uniform. First of all, we will discuss about uniform. Yes, uniform acceleration. Okay, then we will discuss non-uniform. Now, what is uniform acceleration? Student, if anybody moves such that in such a way, if there is change in velocity is same in same interval of time. Okay, if there is change in velocity is same in same interval of time, then we can say this acceleration is uniform. मतलब ये कि अगर वो सेम इंटरवल ऑफ टाइम में अगर उसकी वेलोसिटी में जो चेंजेज हो रहे हैं वो सेम है, तो आप उसको यूनिफॉर्म कर सकते हो. ओके, एंड इन केस ऑफ नॉन यूनिफॉर्म, अगर हम ये कहें कि अगर वो जो चेंज इन वेलोसिटी है वो सेम इंटरवल ऑफ टाइम में, अगर वो वेलोसिटी चेंज इन वेलोसिटी सेम है बट वो टाइम इंटरवल अगर सेम नहीं हो रहा है, तो इन दिस केस वी कैन से एक्सेलरेशन इज नॉन यूनिफॉर्म. यूनिफॉर्म के लिए आप फ्री फॉलिंग बॉडी का कॉन्सेप्ट यूज कर सकते हो. उसमें उस एग्जांपल में देखोगे जो भी वेलोसिटी जो भी एक्सेलरेशन प्रोड्यूस हो रहा है वो कहीं ना कहीं यूनिफॉर्म है, क्योंकि वो इक्वल इंटरवल ऑफ टाइम में जो चेंज इन वेलोसिटी है, इंक्रीज इन वेलोसिटी, वो क्या है, वो इक्वल है. इसी तरीके से अगर हम किसी हिल स्टेशन या फिर क्राउड की बात करें, वहाँ पे अगर किसी भी कार से मूव कर रहे हो या जिससे भी ट्रेवल कर रहे हो, तो उसकी जो एक्सेलरेशन होगी वो कहीं ना कहीं नॉन यूनिफॉर्म एक्सेलरेशन होगा।